Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. So the ETH chart followed the micro count that I shared with you in the last update, and it produced 5 waves to the upside, potential 5 waves in this of this swing low that was made here around the 14th of November. That was the Tuesday low, and the price moved up in potential 5 waves. Topped here at 2091. And since then has come down quite a bit today into our support or target area for wave 2. So now we need to see, can it produce a reversal here at 1995 or at the latest 1969? I don't want a sustained break below 1969. I specifically say sustained break because it's measured from the beginning of that move up. And you have slight differences, obviously, on different exchanges. Also, invalidation is only below that swing low at 1937, 1938. 1969 is only a little bit like a filter, where we say if it breaks below that, then likely it's basically not going to move up in these 5 waves. It will be delayed. So obviously 2 scenarios I'm watching. First of all, what I'm still leaning to, but below 1969, we are resetting wave 4. In the first scenario, obviously, we push higher here in 5 waves, and it's now come down quite low, and that's fine. It's not invalidated or anything, but ideally, it doesn't go much deeper, okay? Ideally, it doesn't go much lower, and we start to see a bit of a buy reaction here in this region. The thing is, what annoys me a bit, or not annoys, but what doesn't really fit this assumption is that the move down is quite sharp. It's quite a sharp move down that you can see here. It doesn't look very impulsive from a structural point of view, but it's quite sharp. So ideally, we want to see a reaction, obviously, at one of these fib levels. But the view or the perspective that this is quite sharp leads me to another possibility, which isn't really new because when support breaks, we're just resetting wave 4. But it could mean that what if we only had here the A wave in 3 waves? This was a B and we come down in C. Okay, which is fine. The only thing is this is a nice 5-wave move actually. So we need to see if support is holding. I mean, at least it gives us some clear parameters to watch. But yeah, below 1969, at least if it's a sustained break, then wave 4 will be reset. But then we have support again at 1909. 1839, which would be ideal. Ideally, we don't want it to get below this support range, below 18 or between 1839 and 1909. If it goes below that, there's still the 1769 support. But I would say this overall setup for a 5th wave to the upside, which this is, wave 4 down or wave 5 up. This overall setup will reduce in likelihood below 1839. And below 1769, I would probably rule it out and then would have to reinterpret the chart. At the moment, we're just observing if on the microstructure, this wave 4 has already bottomed or not. So obviously dealing here with microstructures. And if it has bottomed, it needs to turn around very close to where we are now. So either now or when hitting 1969. And then a move to the upside needs to lead to a break above 2089. Then we have good confirmation that the 3rd wave is running. Can I give you a target already? Well, a bit too early for that, but we can make some assumptions. So if we really move up in the yellow count, then yeah, I'd like it to reach overall this 5-wave move at least $2,230. Yeah, that's at the moment what I can highlight here on this chart. There's not really much new stuff to talk about. Support didn't break. We've just entered the support range. And let's see if it now shows a reaction. That's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.